Okay. Today we are going to start with Maths 1. Maths 1 का very first chapter, Mathematical Logic. Rather saying than very first chapter, it is the very easiest chapter of your Maths 1. ठीक है? Total weightage ये chapter का है 8 marks along with options. So you normally get questions in MCQ 2 marks or 4 marks question or 2 marks short questions. So total weightage is of 8 marks. ठीक है? So first we will see what is the meaning of logic. Logic is what टेक्निकली इफ वी स्पीक कि एनीथिंग व्हेन वी हम लोग को कुछ सिचुएशन दिया है एंड उसमें हम लोग को डिसाइड करना है क्या आंसर आ सकता है, दैट इज अ सिंपल लॉजिक जो हम नॉर्मल डे टू डे लाइफ में यूज करते हैं. नाउ द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन योर माइंड कि मैथमेटिक्स से कैलकुलेशन चाहिए, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर रूट, तो इसमें कुछ भी कैलकुलेशन नहीं है. देन व्हाई लॉजिक इज रिक्वायर्ड इन मैथमेटिक्स? बिकॉज अभी तक हम लोग मैथ्स पढ़ रहे हैं, एवरीवेयर वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग समथिंग, ऑल द कैलकुलेशन बेस्ड वैल्यूज. यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन नहीं है. सो लॉजिक का मेन यूज क्या है? द मेन यूज ऑफ लॉजिक विल बी इन योर मशीन और इन योर कंप्यूटर्स, जिसमें आपको अभी हम लोग देखते हैं ना ए आई, सो इट इज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, तो उसमें आपको लॉजिकली प्रिपरेशन करना है. सो वो लॉजिक का जो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है मैथमेटिकल, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ मैथमेटिकल लॉजिक. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इन दिस चैप्टर, आपको एक सिचुएशन दिया है, स्टेटमेंट दिया है, उसको आपको मैथमेटिकली एक्सप्रेस करना है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ लॉजिक. कि इफ आई एम सेइंग कि टुडे इज अ सनी डे, तो उसको मुझे मैथमेटिकली बोलना है. और इफ आई वांट टू से कि इफ यू स्टडी हार्ड यू विल गेट गुड मार्क्स, तो ये कंडीशन है ना कि अगर आप स्टडी करोगे तो आपको मार्क्स मिलेगा. तो ये मुझे लॉजिकली मैथमेटिकली मुझे स्टेटमेंट रिप्रेजेंट करना है, दैट इज योर मैथमेटिकल लॉजिक. सो वेरी फर्स्ट in this you have a concept which is called as a statements. Now what is a statement? Statements is a single expression which has a truth value which is either true or false. So simply if we say कि एक ऐसा expression जिसमें आपको दो possible values आएंगे, either true or false, but same time पे you cannot get both the values, means you cannot say कि this is true also and this is false also. So either true or either false, यही दो possibility है, that is called as a statement. और example suppose I say कि 8 square is equal to 64. This is a statement because इसका value क्या आ सकता है, either true or false. If I say 5 square is equal to 23, this is also a statement because यहाँ पे value क्या आ रहा है, true, and यहाँ पे value क्या आया है, false. But this is a statement, means value can be either true or false. ठीक है? If I say a statement as please sit down, can you identify a truth value of this? Please sit down. अभी ये true है, false है, you cannot judge. So in that case, it is not a statement. अंडरस्टैंडिंग स्टेटमेंट्स विथ व्हाट अ कंडीशन गिवन जिसका आपको वैल्यू आ सकता है आइदर ट्रू और फॉल्स, एट अ टाइम दोनों वैल्यू नहीं आ सकता है, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं स्टेटमेंट. सो दिस इज नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट बिकॉज यू कैनॉट जज क्या आंसर आ सकता है. दिस इज अ स्टेटमेंट. सो अ स्टेटमेंट इज अ सिंगल एक्सप्रेशन which has a two values, possible values, either true or false, but not both at the same time. This is your statement. Now based on statement we have something which is called as a connectives. अभी connectives means what? Connective is the relation between two statement is called as a connective. दो statement दिए उसका relation है. For example, if I say कि I want to go to market and buy some things. So two statements. I want to go to market. Second statement, I want to buy the things. उसको मैंने join किया. So दोनों को आप join करते हो, that is called as a connective. If I write a statement, if you study hard, you will score good marks. Now this is a condition. First condition क्या है? If you study hard, उसका रिजल्ट क्या आ सकता है? You will get good marks. तो ये क्या हो गए मेरे two statements, उसको मैंने join किए. This is called as a connective. So connective is what? You have to take a statement and you are doing operation on that statement. That is called as a connective. So mathematical logic में you have 5 types of connectives. Okay. So first I will just list out what are the connectives. Very first connective is and. In your mathematical logic we call it as conjunction. It is denoted as P and Q. This triangular symbol is used for conjunction. Then you have OR, which is called as disjunction, which is P or Q. Then you have conditional, which is called as implication, P implies Q. Then biconditional, which is called as double implication, P implies double implies Q. And negative, which we call as a negation. अभी इसका मतलब क्या है? When you join a statements, I want to go and I want to buy the things. And बोला है join किया है, this is called as a conjunction. I will go tomorrow or yesterday. Sorry, I will go today or tomorrow. So ये क्या हो गया मेरा? और बोला है. I will go today or I will go tomorrow. ये क्या हो गया मेरा? Disjunction. Okay. Then आता है conditional. जैसे कि अभी बोला था, if you study hard, you will get marks. तो if you study, अगर वो condition हुआ तो ही आपको marks मिलेंगे. ये हो गया आपका conditional. Biconditional is what? Sometimes we use if and only if. So if I say you will get good marks if and only if you study. So अगर ये है तो ही ये हो सकता है. So biconditional it is called as a double implication. And negative, कोई भी statement का हम लोग को negative करना है. For example, you want to say कि I passed the exam. तो इसका negation क्या होगा? I failed. ये हो गया मेरा negation. So these are the connectives which are available on your statement. ज्वाइन करना है तो एंड कंजंक्शन, और है तो डिसजंक्शन, कंडीशनल है तो इम्प्लीकेशन, बाय कंडीशनल इट इज डबल इम्प्लीकेशन एंड नेगेटिव इज योर निगेशन. ओके, एंड दीज आर योर द मैथमेटिकल नोटेशंस. फाइन. नाउ हर एक स्टेटमेंट का वी हैव द ट्रूथ वैल्यूज. ट्रूथ वैल्यूज कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? अभी सपोज मेरे पास दो स्टेटमेंट्स है P एंड Q. नाउ व्हाट आर द पॉसिबिलिटीज? व्हाट आर द पॉसिबिलिटीज कि फर्स्ट बोथ द स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू, या फिर क्या हो सकता है फर्स्ट ट्रू है सेकेंड वाला फॉल्स है, फर्स्ट फॉल्स है सेकेंड वाला ट्रू है, या फिर मेरे दोनों स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है. सो दीज आर द पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस यू कैन हैव फॉर टू स्टेटमेंट्स. तो ये ऑल द पॉसिबिलिटीज कंसिडर करके वी हैव टू राइट ऑल द पॉसिबल ट्रूथ वैल्यूज. मीन्स if both are true then what will be the truth value, if both one is true one is false what will be the truth value. So identifying that truth value gives you a concept of truth tables. Okay, so truth tables मतलब हम लोग को combination करना है. For all the connectives we will find all the possible outcomes. हर एक combination का all the possible outcomes we have to find. That is called as a truth table. Okay, so we will just write down the truth table of each operation. Okay. Okay, we will write the truth table of conjunction operation. What are the possibilities? Both are true. One is true, one is false. First is false, second is true, and both are false. These are my possible conditions. Now, see, when I write AND operation, AND का मतलब है both the statement should be true. तो ही आपका truth value क्या आएगा? True आएगा. So when both are true, so the truth value of the entire statement is true. If one is true, one is false, false. First is false, second is true, false. Both are false, false. ठीक है? So this is a truth table of your conjunction. कैसे याद रखना है? Simple. When both are true, तो ही आपको true आएगा. Otherwise every time false आएगा. This is how you have to remember. ठीक है? And इसको याद कैसे करना है? Since two statements, okay, two statements, so 2 square equal to 4, मतलब आपको 4 combinations बनाने. This is how you have to remember. कि there are two statements P and Q, तो total I will get 2 square, that is 4 combinations मुझे बनाने. Combinations कैसे याद रखना है? TT, FF, TF, TF. This is how you can memorize. Okay. So these are the combinations and this will be your truth table. So AND को याद रखने के लिए simple, when both are true तो ही true आएगा, otherwise every time वो false आएगा. उतना ही आपको याद रखना है. This is a truth table of your condition. Okay. That is your OR operation. Okay. this is the symbol that we use for OR operation, P or Q. Okay, so P, Q, P or Q. So possible combinations, TT, TF, FT and FF. Okay, true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. These are the possible input. अभी और के केस में कैसे याद रखना है? एंड के लिए क्या किया था? When both are true तो ही ट्रू आता है. और के लिए कैसे सिंपल है? When both are false तो मेरा आंसर फॉल्स आएगा. बाकी सारे केसेस में ट्रू आएगा. So both are true, true. One is true, one is true, one is false, true. First is false, second is true, true. When both are false, false. So this is how you have to remember. एंड के केस में कैसे याद रखना है? When both are true तो ही ट्रू आएगा, अदरवाइज फॉल्स आएगा. और के केस में हाउ विल रिमेंबर? When both are false तो ही फॉल्स आता है, अदरवाइज एवरी टाइम ट्रू आता है. दिस इज हाउ यू कैन रिमेंबर. सो दिस इज अ ट्रूथ टेबल ऑफ योर कंजंक्शन. इम्प्लीकेशन का मतलब है इफ P देन Q. अगर P ट्रू है तो आपका Q ट्रू आएगा, मतलब P पे आपका Q डिपेंड है. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ इफ कंडीशन. So to construct the truth tables, first we will write all the possible combinations. Okay. Now P implies Q. P implies Q में when first is true and second is true, the entire truth value is true. First is true, second is false, तो क्या आएगा? False. First is false, but second आपका true है, तो आंसर आपका true है. And when both are false, then also your truth value is true. So implication, that is conditional operation में first statement is true and second is true, तो आपका आंसर true आएगा. So in this entire truth table, only when second condition is false, तो ही आपका आंसर false आता है. बाकी all the cases में you will get answer as true. So if P then Q, you can have a truth table as true, 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 false, 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 true चलेगा. Because second true है तो आंसर true आएगा. And if both are false तो भी आपका आंसर truth value is true. So this is your truth table. And then for your double implication we write P if and only if Q. मतलब P is depend on Q, Q is also depend on P. दोनों का relation है. That is called as if and only if. So for this we have a truth table. P double implies Q. So true 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 आएगा, false false भी true आएगा, and बाकी दोनों cases में आपका false आएगा. This is your truth. So P double implies में क्या होगा? If one is true and one is false, then your truth value is false. Otherwise, your truth value is true. So this is for your implication. This is for your double implication. Now negation is negative of a statement. Here you don't require two statements. एक ही statement है, उसको आपको negative करना है. So this is P, and negation of P is denoted by this tilde symbol. So if the value is true, negation आएगा false. If the value is false, negation आएगा true. So if a statement is given for which the truth value is true, तो उसका negation करने के बाद truth value आएगा false. If a statement is given जिसका truth value false है, तो negation आएगा truth value as true. So this is with your negation where you have only one statement. Okay, note down. Point 1 simple exercise है where you have just a simple statements. आपको first identify करना है whether what is the truth value. फिर आपको statement से उसको आपको symbolically लिखना है. बाकी nothing extra we have to do here. So we will go with a simple exercise. The very first question you have ki identify given expression is a statement or not. Okay. So first आपको identify करना है whether it is a statement, and if it is a statement you have to write a truth value of that statement. So that is a simple exercise you have. Okay. So we first go with the first sum. First sum you have 5 plus 4 equal to 30. Okay. First we have to identify whether it is a statement. Statement का rule क्या है? Anything जिसका value आ सकता है, either true or false. Can you predict a value either true or false? Yes. 5 plus 4 equal to 13 आपको पता है this is a false one. But value आ रहा है तो ये क्या हो गया? Statement. So you will write कि yes it is a statement and truth value of that statement is F. Because ये statement आपका false है. This is how you have to write. Simple. x minus 3 equal to 14. Can you identify the truth value of the statement? Can you identify? No. Why? Because we don't know what is the value of x. If it is said that ki value of x is 17, तो 17 minus 13, 17 minus 3 आपका 14 आएगा. But do you know x का value? No. So in that case, we are not able to find whether it is true or whether it is false. So here it is not a statement. Understanding? Expression का अगर आपको value आ रहा है true या false, then only you will say it is a statement. This is not a statement. Now third one simple you have. Third question you have, close the door. Now what is the truth value? There is no truth value. Close the door, it's a order which I have given, जिसका मुझे value नहीं आ सकता है. So it is not a statement. So we'll write ki not a statement. Next you have 0 is a complex number. 0 is a complex number. So you can find the truth value. Is it a true or false statement? False statement. So you will say ki it is not a, it is a statement. Then there is a question, please get me a breakfast. Please get me a breakfast. What will be the truth value? No, you cannot identify a truth value. So it is not a statement. Okay. Then we have x square equal to x. X square equal to x. What you can say about it? X का square, x आ रहा है. Is it a true statement? No. So here, but it is a statement because इसका value मुझे false आ रहा है. So you will write it is a statement and the value is false. Fine. Next you have, do you like mathematics? Do you like mathematics? What you can say about it? It depends. You cannot predictably say कि ये true है या फिर ये false है. So in that case, you cannot say it is a statement. Okay. Yes. If I say the sun sets in the west. Yes. So here you will say it is a statement and the truth value is true. Okay. What about this? X square minus 6x minus 7 equal to 0 when x is equal to 7. आपको दिया है x का वैल्यू क्या बोला है 7 दिया है. So if you put value of x as 7 here, you have to just give the prediction कि ये true है या false है. क्या आएगा आंसर 7 है. So x square means what it will, you will get 49. Then 6 sevens are, you will get 42 minus 7 equal to 0. Is it true? Yes, 49 minus 42 is 7. So 7 minus 7, आपका आंसर क्या आएगा 0. So in that case, the truth value of the statement is T. If the value of x is not given, तो आप बोलोगे it is not a statement. But since value of x is given, put the value and check whether you can get a true value or false. So this is what you can say it is a statement, but the truth value is F. Sorry, truth value is true. Okay, next is question number 2. Write the following compound statement symbolic. Okay, so symbolically means in this we have to use connectives. अभी जो देखे ना कौन कौन से connectives and or then your implication, double implication and your negation. Okay, so वो use करके हम लोग को ये statements लिखे. The very first statement you have is Nagpur is in Maharashtra and Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, these are the statements. Now, very first, to solve this kind of statements, first हम लोग को identify करना है what will be P and what will be Q. मतलब वो given expression को two statements में हम लोग को divide करना है. So, what will be my first statement? Nagpur is in Maharashtra will be my first statement, that is P. Chennai is in Tamil Nadu will be my second statement, that is Q. अभी इसको join करने के लिए which connective we have used here? And. What is the symbol of and? Triangular symbol. So here we will write P and Q. Okay, this is how we can represent symbolically P and Q. Means you have to write Nagpur. P statement will be Nagpur is in Maharashtra. Q statement will be Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. And फिर आएगा आपका P and Q. The second question you have is triangle is equilateral or isosceles. Okay. So my P statement is what? Triangle is equilateral. My Q statement is triangle is isosceles. Which connective here is used to join? और तो आपको और को सिंबॉलिकल लिखना है P और Q. That's it. ये हो गया आपका सिंबॉलिक नोटेशन. Angle is right angle if and only if it measures of 90 degree. Okay. Now there are two sentences. Angle is right angle. ये हो गया मेरा statement P. It measures 90 degree. ये हो गया मेरा Q. What is the connective use here? If and only if means what? Biconditional. Double implication. So we'll write it as P double implies Q. Fourth one is angle is neither acute nor obtuse. Okay. So यहाँ पे two conditions, two statements. P angle is acute and Q angle is obtuse. बट सिंस यहाँ पे आपको नाइदर नॉर बोला है तो आपको क्या करना है? निगेटिव करना है. जो भी आपको स्टेटमेंट दिया है उसको आपको निगेटिव करना है. सो पी स्टेटमेंट का निगेटिव. निगेटिव के लिए वी यूज द सिंबल दैट इज निगेशन ऑफ पी. क्यू का भी निगेटिव करना है बिकॉज नॉर ऑप्ट्यूस दिया है. सो निगेशन इज क्यू. एंड ज्वाइन किससे करना है? नॉर है. नॉर मीन्स व्हाट? नॉट और. तो और का सिंबल आपको यूज करना है. सो पी negation of P or negation of Q. Because यहाँ पे neither बोला है तो instead of using direct P we are using the negation. So this is how we can denote the expression. Okay. The next is if triangle ABC is a right angle at B, मतलब triangle ABC में B is a right angle, तो A और C का भी addition क्या आना चाहिए? 90. Okay, this is your statement. So यहाँ पे if बोला है, if and then तो क्या आएगा operation? Implication, right? So this is my P statement, triangle ABC is right angle, and this is my Q statement. So if else, if then use किया है तो we'll write P implies Q. Next is Hima Das wins gold medal if and only if she runs fast. So what will be the connective here? If and only if बोला है तो क्या आएगा? Double implication. So Hima Das wins gold is your P and she runs fast is your Q. So your P double implies Q. Or 1 is prime. Okay. So 4 is odd is your statement P and 1 is prime is your statement Q. Very first हम लोग को क्या देखना है कि P का ट्रूथ वैल्यू क्या आएगा. 4 is odd, इसका ट्रूथ वैल्यू क्या है? फॉल्स है. सो इसका ट्रूथ वैल्यू आएगा फॉल्स. 1 is prime. 1 is prime? No, 1 is not a prime number. तो ये भी क्या है आपका false. Connective used here is or. So it is F or F. So in your truth table of or का जो आपको truth table है उसमें क्या है? When both are false तो आपका आंसर क्या आता है? False आता है. So the truth value of the statement is false. So truth value of statement is F. This is how you have to write. Second, 64 is a perfect square and 46 is prime. So 64 is a perfect square. ये हो गया statement P. What will be the truth value? True, correct. So इसका truth value है true. 46 is prime. 46 is a prime number. No, we can factorize it. So इसका truth value क्या है? False. Connective used here is and. So true and false. So see the truth table. First is true, second is false. So final answer क्या आएगा? False. So you will write truth value is F. And 7 divides 94. So 5 is a prime number. Yes, true है. 5 is a prime number. So इसका truth value आएगा true. 7 divides 94 is a statement Q. But 7 we cannot divide 94 by 7. तो आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? False. Connective used here is and. So T and F. So the truth value is here F. Okay. Then next one. Fourth one. You have it is not true that 5 minus 3i is a real number. Okay. So first just see the statement. 5 minus 3i is a real number. Is it a real number? No, it is a complex number. So इसका value क्या है? False आएगा. But it is not true बोला है. Negation किया है. So negation of f क्या आएगा? True. So the truth value of the statement is true. Then 3 plus 5 equal to 15. So here 3 into 5 equal to 8. This is a statement P which has a truth value as false. 3 plus 5 equal to 15 is a statement Q which has a truth value as false. If and then, so what we have? Implication. So P implies Q. False implies false. So when both are false, your answer is true according to the statement of your implication. So the truth value is true. And Q statements are given as truth value true and R and S statements are given with truth value as false. It is given that P and Q का truth value रहेगा true and R and S statement का truth value रहने वाला है false. So accordingly we have to identify the truth value of the expression. So very first expression we have is P or Q and R. ठीक है? So this is a combined expression given. So P statement क्या रहने वाला है? True. और Q statement भी क्या रहने वाला है? True. And R statement क्या रहने वाला है? False. So we have to find the truth value. How to do it? First we will solve about the bracket. So bracket में क्या है? And operation है. Okay. First is true and second is false. So see the truth table of your and operation. पहला ट्रू है, दूसरा फॉल्स है, तो फाइनल आंसर क्या आएगा? फॉल्स आएगा. तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? फॉल्स. नाउ सी द ट्रूथ टेबल ऑफ और. वन इज ट्रू, वन इज फॉल्स. तो और का ट्रूथ टेबल क्या देता है? ट्रू. सो आपका फाइनल आंसर क्या आएगा? ट्रू. सो द ट्रूथ वैल्यू ऑफ द गिवन एक्सप्रेशन इज योर ट्रू. और R implies S. So true implies true or false implies false. See the truth table. Implication में both are true तो आंसर क्या आएगा? True. Both are false तो भी आंसर क्या आएगा? True. So true or true, the final truth value is true. Or S is false. So true and false. And one is true, one is false. Truth value क्या आएगा? False. और negation of true क्या आएगा? False. So false and false, both are false तो आंसर क्या आएगा आपका? False. Both are false और ऑपरेशन है तो फाइनल आंसर will be F. Fine. So this is how your truth value. See, let's see about the question 4 also. P implies Q. P and Q true है तो true implies true और negation of false. Both are true in conditional, so it is answer is true. Negation of false is true. Both are true. And operation, when both are true, final answer is T. So the truth value is 2. Okay. So fifth one, statement given is negation of R double implies P implies negation of Q. R का truth value क्या है? False. So negation of F double implies P का truth value is true. Implies negation of Q. So negation of true. Negation of false क्या आएगा? True. Double implies true. Implies negation of true आएगा false. So double implication में both statements are true. तो final answer क्या आएगा? True. Implies false. Now implication में if first is true and second is false तो आपका final answer क्या आता है? False. So the truth value is your F. See the next one. Negation of P. So negation of true or negation of Q, negation of true. R का truth value है false. Q का truth value है T and the truth value of R is F. और P, the truth value is T, R का truth value है false. This is how we have substituted. Okay. Now negation of true क्या आएगा? False. और negation of true आएगा false और false. True and false. And operation में one is true, one is false. तो final answer क्या आएगा? False. और one is true, one is false and operation. क्या आएगा आंसर? False. Now see. और and operation में both are false. False आएगा. So false और false. और both are false or operation final answer is false. And operation both are false. Truth value is F or F. Both are F, so the truth value is F. This is how we can find the truth value. Okay. Next, 7 sum. So this is a statement which is given. We will just substitute the values. So P ka value है true. So negation of T and Q का truth value is T. So T and T. And negation of R. R का truth value क्या है? False. So negation of F. और Q implies P. Q का truth value है T. P का value है T. Implies negation of S. S का truth value है false. So negation of F और R का truth value is F. So we'll solve it. Negation of T आएगा F. F और sorry F and T और negation of F आएगा true. True implies true. Implication का truth table. Both are true. तो final answer क्या आएगा? True. Implies. Negation of F क्या आएगा? True और false. Now AND operation में one is false, one is true. What is the answer? Yes. तो आपका आंसर आएगा false और true. So T implies OR operation. One is true, one is false. Answer is true. So answer. Now this is an AND operation between false and true. One is false, one is true. But AND operation है तो final answer क्या आएगा? False. और true implies true. Conditional है, both are true. So answer आएगा true. Now OR operation. One is false, one is true. The truth value will be T. Okay. Now this one. यहाँ पे कैसे करना है? So यहाँ पे negation of P मतलब true and R का value है false. S का truth value is F. Negation of Q का truth value is T. Double implies P का truth value is T and R का truth value is false. Negation of true क्या आएगा? False and false. और false implies negation of true आएगा false. This is a AND operation between true and F. So final answer क्या आएगा? F. AND operation between false. Both are false. So final answer is F. Implication में both statement are false. तो answer क्या आएगा? True आएगा. When both are false, तो answer true आएगा. And double implies F. Now OR operation between a false and true. So your answer is true. So this is T. Double implies F. Negation of T. Negation of T क्या आएगा? F. F double implies F. Double implication में when both are false तो भी आपका आंसर क्या आता है? True. So the final truth value is T. Negation of the statement. Okay. So very first statement we have is Tirupati is in Andhra Pradesh. सिंपल स्टेटमेंट उसको निगेटिव करना है. सो तिरुपति इज नॉट इन आंध्र प्रदेश. हो गया, जस्ट निगेशन आपको लिखना है. सो विल राइट तिरुपति इज नॉट इन आंध्र प्रदेश. This is your negation. Okay. Next we have 3 is not the root of the equation x square plus 3x minus 18 equal to 0. Negation कैसे लिखना है? 3 is root of the equation. Negation है ना? If it is a statement we write false. False है तो we write it as true. So the statement is given as not a root. तो negation करेंगे तो 3 is a root. That's it. इतना ही आपको लिखना है. Next is root 2 is a rational number. सो निगेशन में आपको क्या लिखना है? रूट 2 इज नॉट अ रैशनल नंबर. दैट्स इट. रूट 2 इज नॉट अ रैशनल नंबर. ये हो गया आपका निगेशन. Then statement given as polygon ABCDE is a pentagon. Negation लिखना है. So not a pentagon. Polygon ABCD is not a pentagon. ये हो गया आपका negation. The next is 7 plus 3 is greater than 5. So it is not greater than 5, but the same equation given is in symbolic form. तो हम लोग को negation भी symbolic form में ही देना है. So 7 plus 3 I will say less than equal to 5. यहाँ पे क्या बोला है? Greater than 5 है ना? So not greater than 5 means either less than or equal to. So my negation is 7 plus 3 less than equal to 5. So this is with your exercise 1.1 simple, where we have to just identify whether it is a statement. We have seen how to write a statement in a symbolic form and finding the truth values of the given statement. Now we will see how to construct the truth table of the complicated expression. आपको जो proper expression दिया है. See, we have seen the basic truth tables and, or, then your implication, double implication. But we will see if a complex expression is given, how to construct a truth table. Okay, so before designing the truth table, we will see some terminologies which are required. First, we have something which is called as logical equivalence. Logical equivalence का मतलब है two statements P and Q. Okay, we say that P and Q are equal. अभी equal मतलब logical we say that P and Q are logically equivalent. मतलब दोनों same है. कब same होगा? When the truth table of P exactly matches with truth table of Q. दोनों अगर truth table match करते तो we will say the statements are logically equivalent. Now when you write out, when we construct the truth table, we have three possible outcomes which is called as tautology, contradiction and contingency. Okay, so tautology means what? When truth table में all the possible outcomes are true, मतलब truth table design करने के बाद पूरे column में values अगर true आएंगे तो we call it as a tautology. If after constructing a truth table पूरे columns में आपके value आएंगे false, then we call it as a contradiction. And if you are not able to identify whether it is tautology or contradiction, then we call it as a contingency. Okay, so we will identify whether a given statement is tautology or it is a contradiction or contingency by designing a truth table. So last column mein, if all values are true, it is a tautology which is indicated by small letter t. If all values are false, then it is contradiction indicated by C. Otherwise, it is contingency. ठीक है. So this is how we can find. Now we'll see how to construct the truth table. Okay. We'll start with exercise 1.2 where the first question is construct truth table. A simple expression is given and we have to just write a truth table. यहाँ पे आपको identify कुछ भी नहीं करना है, just truth table design करना है. We'll take the very first sum of your exercise. Okay. So the very first statement you have is this. Now just pay attention here how to draw a truth table. Okay. How many statements are there total? P and Q. Two inputs are there. So we'll write P and Q. Okay. Then very first you have is P implies Q. तो यहाँ पे we'll write P implies Q. उसके साथ आपको क्या करना है? P implies Q के रिजल्ट के साथ आपको Q को एंड करना है. So P implies Q and Q. ये जो भी रिजल्ट आएगा उसको आपको इम्प्लाइज करना है P. So P implies Q and Q. उसके रिजल्ट के साथ P को करना है. Okay. So first we will write TT, TF, FT, FF. मैंने बताया था आपको ये पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस कैसे लिखना है. ओके. नाउ P implies Q. ओके. अभी आपके पास इम्प्लीकेशन का ट्रूथ टेबल है, उसको याद करना है. When both are true, implication क्या आएगा? True. First is true, second is false, implication आएगा false. First is false, second is true, implication is true. When both are false, implication is true. Okay. Now इसका जो रिजल्ट है P implies Q का, उसको एंड करना है Q के साथ. ओके. P implies Q में क्या है? ट्रू. एंड Q में क्या है? ट्रू. ट्रू एंड ट्रू क्या आएगा? ट्रू. फॉल्स एंड फॉल्स क्या आएगा? फॉल्स. ट्रू एंड ट्रू ट्रू आएगा. ट्रू एंड फॉल्स फॉल्स आएगा बिकॉज यू आर कंसिडरिंग एंड ऑपरेशन. सो इफ वन इज फॉल्स आपका आंसर फॉल्स आएगा. नाउ वॉट एवर आंसर यू हैव गॉट हियर उसको इम्प्लाइज करना है P के साथ. मतलब 1 2 3 4 फोर्थ कॉलम एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम को आपको यूज करना है. सो इम्प्लाइज का टेबल ट्रू इम्प्लाइज ट्रू बोथ आर ट्रू आंसर आएगा ट्रू. फर्स्ट इज फॉल्स सेकेंड इज ट्रू. फर्स्ट इज फॉल्स सेकेंड इज ट्रू. इम्प्लीकेशन में ट्रू आता है. इम्प्लीकेशन में अगर फर्स्ट ट्रू सेकेंड फॉल्स है तो ही फॉल्स आता है, बाकी सारे केस में ट्रू आता है. So if it is first is false, second is true, you will get answer as true. First is true, second is false. So your answer is false. First is false, second is false, your answer is true. So this is how we have constructed a truth table. Last column में जो values आएगा, so this is a truth table of the given expression. Right? So the next one is P and negation of Q double implies P implies Q. Again same thing. Two statements are there P and Q. So we'll write first P then Q. उसके बाद आएगा C. We are using negation of Q. So we'll calculate it in a separate column. So negation of Q के लिए एक अलग से column बनाएंगे. फिर आएगा P and negation of Q. Then P and negation of Q implies, sorry, first we will find P implies Q. Okay, so this is your first column, this is second column, third, fourth and fifth. अभी आपको क्या करना है? P and negation of Q. इसका आंसर कौन से कॉलम में? कॉलम नंबर 4. And P implies Q you have calculated in column number 5. So फोर्थ कॉलम एंड फिफ्थ कॉलम के वैल्यूज को हम लोग को डबल इम्प्लीकेशन करना है. ठीक है. ये कॉलम के वैल्यूज विच आर इन द कॉलम नंबर 4, दीज वैल्यूज विच आर इन द कॉलम नंबर 5. बोथ 4 and 5 को हम लोग को क्या करना है? डबल इम्प्लीकेशन. सो लेट्स सी अभी what are the possible outcomes P and Q? We will write 4 conditions T T, T F, F T and F F. ठीक है. After that we have to calculate negation of Q. So whatever values you have in column Q उसको आपको negate करना है. What are the values? Column Q में क्या है? True. So negation क्या आएगा? F. F है तो negation आएगा T. T है तो negation is F. F है तो negation is T. Then P and negation of Q. P मतलब column number 1. Negation of Q मतलब column number 3. उसको क्या करना है आपको? AND operation. So see. ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. ट्रू एंड फॉल्स का ऑपरेशन क्या आएगा? फॉल्स. ट्रू एंड ट्रू, ट्रू. फॉल्स एंड फॉल्स, फॉल्स. फॉल्स एंड ट्रू, फॉल्स. ओके. देन P implies Q करना है. P implies Q. सो ट्रू ट्रू, ट्रू आएगा. ट्रू फॉल्स, फॉल्स आएगा. फॉल्स ट्रू, ट्रू आएगा. एंड फॉल्स फॉल्स भी ट्रू आएगा बिकॉज implies implies में when first is true second is false तो ही false आएगा. Now whatever values you have got in column number 4 and whatever values you have got in column number 5 आपको क्या करना है? double implication. So double implication का rule क्या है? When both are true true, when both are false true. Otherwise one true one false में क्या आता है? false आता है. So one false one true क्या आएगा आंसर? false. One true one false, false. One false, one true, false. One false, one true. So this is a final truth table. All values are false. Okay, next is P implies bracket negation of Q and R. So first there are 3 combinations. P hai, Q and R is also there. So there are total 3 inputs P, Q, R. Since there are 3 inputs, you will get 2 raised to 3, that is 8 combinations. Okay, so first we will make a column of P, then Q and then R. Now 8 combinations how you will memorize. Simple. T, 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 F, 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 F. हो गए 4. उसके बाद make a combination of 2. True, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. Then one combination. T, F, T, F, T, F, T, F. That's it. Easy to remember. आपको पूरा ऐसे याद नहीं करना है. Simple. 8 combinations, 4, 4, 2, 2, 1, 1. T and F के combination. So first you have to write 4 times T, 4 times F, 2 times T, 2 times F, TF, 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 TF. These are the 8 possible combinations. अभी हम लोग को क्या क्या चाहिए? First we required Q and R. So first we will write Q and R. Q and R का हम लोग को क्या करना है? Negation करना है. We have to find the negation of Q and R. So we will find it. Negation of Q and R. Now whatever answer you will get here, you have to implies. P implies this. Now P, see, first, second, third, fourth and fifth column. ठीक है. So P का value कहाँ पे है? First column में. Implies. The answer of this is in the column number 5. So first column and 5 column को implies करना है. This is how we can easily remember. So let's find Q and R. Q and R means we have to consider these 2 columns. So AND operation है. Both are true, true. One is true, one is false, false. One is false, one is true, false. Both are false, false. Both are true, true. One is true, one is false, false. One is false, one is true, false. Both are false, false. AND operation. Okay. Then whatever answer you have got, उसको हम लोग को क्या करना है? Negate करना है. So T है तो value आएगा F, F है तो आएगा T, F T, F T, T है तो F, F है तो T, F T and F T. So these are the negation. Now whatever values we have in column number 1 and column number 5, what operation we have to perform? Implication. Implication याद करना है. क्या है implication? 1 is true, second is false, तो ही false, बाकी सारे केसेस में true आएगा. So TF, first is true, second is false, false. First is true, second is true, true. True, true, true. True, true, true. First is false, second is false, तो भी आपका true आएगा. First is false, second is true, तो भी true आएगा. First is false, second is true, true. And first is false, second is true, true. So this is your final answer. So P, Q and R. Okay. So we'll find the possible outcomes. T, 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 F, 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 F. Then T, T, F, F, T, T, F, F. T, F, T, F, T, F, T, F. Okay. Now, we will go step wise. First, what we have to do? Q implies R. So, first column will be Q implies R. Then, P implies Q implies R. So, P implies Q implies R. Okay. Then, P and Q. Then, P and Q implies R. Okay. So, this is column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, final this value. So, answer of this is in column number 5 and this which is in column number 7. So, column number 5 double implies column number 7. This is the final answer which we want to complete. Okay. Now, very first Q implies R means we have to see column number 2 and 3. Both are true, true. One is true, first is true, second is false, false. False, true, true. False, false, true. True, true, true. True and false, false. False and true, true. False and false, true. ये हो गया आपका Q implies R. Then P implies Q implies R. P is in column number 1. So what we have to do is first column and fourth column को देखना है. So true, true, true. True and false, false. True and true, true. True and true, true. False and true, true. Because implication है. False and false, true. False and true, true. False and true, true. Okay. Then P and Q. First and second column का AND operation. Both are true, true. Both are true, true. One is true, one is false, false. One is true, one is false, false. False, true, false. False, true, false. Both are false, false. Both are false, false. ठीक है. Now P and Q implies R. So column number 6 and column number 3 implies करना है. So true and true, true आएगा. True and false, false. False and true, true. False, false, true. False, true, true. False, false, true. False, true, true. And false, false, true. This is the implication. So implication में first true, second false, तो ही false. बाकी सारे cases में we get answer as true. Then column number 5 and column number 7 में we have to do the double implication. So double implication means what? True, true, true आएगा. Double implication का rule क्या है? When both are true, true. When both are false, true. So true, true, true. Both are false, then also true. Both are true, T. Both are true, both are true, both are true, both true and both true. So your final answer is this. Column number, last column mein you get the entire answer of the truth. Okay. Next is question number 2, where using truth table, we have to prove the logical equivalence. So, suppose the statement is given. Okay, so we have to show the logical equivalence between two statements. So this is your first statement, this is your second statement. So to show the logical equivalence, what we have to do is we have to construct a truth table, and the column of this and the column of this should be exactly same. Then we say that they are logically equivalent. So how to solve it? First we will take P, then we will take Q, then we need negation of P, then negation of P and Q. Then we require P or Q. Negation of P we have already calculated. So P or Q and negation of P. So this is your column 1, this is column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5 and column 6. So the answer of this negation of P and Q is in column number 4 and answer of this is in column number 6. So in the end we have to show that column number 4 and column number 6 are exactly same. Then we can say they are logically equivalent. So two combinations are there. So TT, FF, TF, TF. Okay. Now negation of P. P के लिए we will see column number 1. T true, negation is false. TF, F है तो negation आएगा true, F है तो negation आएगा T. Now negation of P and Q. So you have to do the AND operation between these two. False and true, false. False and false, false. True and true, true. True and false, false. Then P or Q, or operation between these two. True or true, true. True or false, true. False or true, true. Both are false, false. Then P and Q and negation of P. So column number 5 and column number 3. Which operation you have to do? AND operation. Okay. So T and F, F. T and F, F. T and T, T. F and T, F. Now in the end, see the values of column number 4 and see value in the column number 6. Are they same? Yes. So finally you have to write columns 4 and 6 are identical. Therefore, these are logically equivalent. This is how you can prove the logical equivalence. Okay.